There were 4 children in the family: a little sister and 3 brothers. Wajahat was the eldest brother. The other brothers were named Herrera and Kabir. Wajahat was a hard-working and kind-hearted boy. He took care of his brothers and loved his little sister Layla very much. He was interested in helping people and respected his parents. Herrera and Kabir had a very good relationship with the community. They both helped their elder brother and felt happy helping him. They kept fasts and prayed. They used to come home and did their tuition and went to school. They helped the poor and were good to their parents. They had many more cousins. One day, Wajahat had an accident and they all cried. Then he prayed to Allah that he would be all right. His brother, Herrera, also had an accident. And then Allah gave him a new life. Then his brother, Kabir, got a toothache from eating too much sweets. And Herrera also became very weak. But now they both take care of themselves because they want to be great men. They want to take care of their country. Now they focus on their school studies. Wajahat loves trees, plants, and birds. He also loves animals. Herrera and Kabir love cars. And they love to make up little sister Layla. They love to their cousins. Their names are Banin and Fabiha. They make a lot of enjoyment and noise at their house. But they are very scared of their mother. And they have another cousin named Fatima. She is their uncle's daughter. And they have other cousins, whose names are Husnain, Hira and Rama. Whenever these people visit their grandmother's house, everyone is very happy. Now our story end is most beautiful. We all enjoy every day. Happy, happy family.